Do you know that getting those 4,000 watch hour on YouTube is easy? How? Let me guess. You are working hard on your YouTube channel, ranking out videos, yet those 4,000 watch hours seems like an impossible mountain to climb. Trust me, I have been there, staring at my analytics, wondering if I had ever hit that magic number to finally unlock monetization. But here is the good news. It is not as hard as it seems. In fact, with the right approach, you can make those watch hours roll in faster than you thought possible. Today, I'm sharing the exact strategies I used to crush my 4,000 hour goal, including creating video playlists that keep viewers hooked, smartly placing end screen, using cars to guide viewers through more of your content. These aren't just tips, they are proven techniques that worked. I'm going to break them down for you step by step. If this is a video you have loved to watch, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this good news to a whole lot of people, and let's jump in. So, if you are ready to turn your YouTube dream into a reality, let's dive into the first and most powerful tools in your arsenal: playlists. The first thing you will do is adding playlists to your videos. Hi, guys, playlists are more than just a way to organize your content. They are a secret weapon for boosting your watch hours. Here is why. When a viewer finishes watching one video in your playlist, the next video starts automatically. This keeps them engaged with your content longer, ranking up those precious watch hours. Like you are seeing right now, how I created so many playlists on my videos of YouTube demonetization, YouTube tutorial zone, acting real. I have so many playlists that I created. Whenever I make a related video on each of them, I group them into the related playlist they belong to. Start by grouping related videos into cohesive playlists. For example, if you have a series of tutorials, put them in one playlist and name it something compelling like Master in 10 Easy Steps. Use keywords in the title to make it discoverable. This ensures viewers are glued seamlessly from one video to the next without needing to click away. I mean, you are going to glue them on that playlist by putting it to autoplay so that when they finishes watching one video, they can now watch the next video automatically. And here is a pro tips. Order your playlist strategically. Start with your most engaging videos to hook viewers. Once you have optimized your playlist, it is time to leverage another powerful tools, which is strategic number two. Adding of end screen. Hi guys, end screen are like a call to action at the end of your videos. They keep viewers on your channel instead of letting them drift away. You can add clickable elements like links to other videos, playlists, or even your channel subscription button. Before I forgot, I have made a video on how to add a video end screen, which you are seeing right now in the screen. I mean, this you are seeing right now in the screen. If you have not watched this video, what are you waiting for? You need to go and watch this video and get some ideas on how you are going to do what? Connect other of your videos and start getting your watch hours for your what? Monetization. Here is how you are going to make them work for you. Choose a video or playlist that aligns with the video they just watched. For example, if someone just learned how to bake a cake, your end screen should suggest your top 5 frosting recipe playlist. Keep the suggestions relevant and enticing. Hi. Guys, if you are doing these strategies, believe you me, and I promise you that you are going to get that 4,000 watch hour in no sooner time than possible. Also, don't wait until the very end of your video to display your end screen. Introduce it at 10 to 15 seconds before the video ends and use a voiceover or text like "Don't miss my other most watched videos. Click here." This encourage action while they are still engaged in watching that your videos. I'm going to take you on a screen record of how you are going to add your end screen in case you don't have any time to watch the other of my video on how you can add an end screen. Now let's go to our screen record. Once you go to your Chrome app, you type you type studio dot youtube, sorry guys, this studio.youtube.com. Now you can see it is already here because I always use it. Okay, once it opens, now you click on this. What are you going to click? Listen, sorry guys, I'm trying to zoom it. You click on this three dot here. You click on this three dot here. Once you click on it, this three dots, once you click on it, it will bring you your dashboard, your content, your analytics, your comments, your subtitle, copyright in customization and audio library. Now you're going to click on content. You click on content. Now once you click on content, you wait for it to what? To open. Once it opens, okay, now once it opens, now let's select one video. Now you just select on any video you want to add your end screen to. Okay, you select the video you want to add your end screen to. Now for example, let's go with this one because this one that are here I've add an end screen to them. So let's go with this one. Now you click at the name of that video, it opens. Okay, now it has opened. Now once it open like this, you shift it at the right hand side, then you see the end screen. Okay, this is the end screen. You see the end screen. When you click on the end screen, okay, let me zoom it in. When you click on the end screen, it will open. Now this is it. Okay, and this is the end screen what editor. Now in this end screen, when you add an end screen to this particular any video of your choice, it is sending a good word signal to the YouTube word algorithm that this video has been added to what end screen and need to be what pushed out. Okay, now this is what you are going to do. Now in this end screen, it goes with what? Five what? Elements. It goes with what? Five elements. What do you mean by five elements? You're going to add five what videos to it at the end screen. Now we have video, we have playlists, we have subscribers, we have channel. Okay, now in case if you click this the elements, click on any video you want. Now the YouTube has suggested what? The most recent what? Upload. Your most recent one upload. Now you click it again. Okay, you click it again, click on the video again. Okay, now the YouTube has added what? The best for view for your viewers. Now you click it again. If you want to add a playlist to it, you add a what? A playlist. For example, let me add a playlist here. Now this, I'll add this playlist. Okay, now we'll go again for the fourth one. Okay, we click on the element again. Now if you want to add subscribe to your end screen, you add what? Subscribe. You click on subscribe, you see it, subscribe have been added. Now it's done. Okay, we are done with it. Now it has
it is no more highlighted. Now you have to do what? You adjust the what? The end screen, how you want the video to appear. Okay, you don't have to jam pack it. You don't have to put them together. Just add it so that it can be easy for people to watch and also what, subscribe. Okay. Now once you are done arranging it, you now click on save. Okay. Now this is it. Once you click on save, okay, once you click on save, you can now what, go back and check your videos.
Now that you have set up your playlist and end screen, let's talk about a game-changing features that is often underused, which is nothing but strategic number 3. Hi, using cards to increase watch time. Cards are those little pops-ups that appears during your videos like you are seeing it right here. This is what I mean by cards. And they are a fantastic way to guide your viewers to more of your content. For example, if you are discussing a topic in your video that you have covered in more details elsewhere, you can use a card that links directly to that video. I don't know if you are getting me. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, here is how you can make it work effectively. Place cards strategically where they are naturally fit into your content. If you mention a related video, add cards right at that moment, but don't overdo it. Too many cards can overwhelm your viewers. If you don't know it today. Desi Pictures TV is giving you the information today. A great trick is to link to a playlist instead of a video. That way, once they finish the recommended video, they are more likely to keep watching others in the playlist. Cards also keep viewers engaged by giving them choices, making them feel more in control of their experience. With playlists, end screen, and cards working together, you have now created a system that keeps viewers on your channel for longer and skyrockets your watch hours. But before we go, let me share a few bonus tips to tie it all together. Here is a bonus tip. After all said and done, after you must have published your video, review your analytics regularly. Check which playlist, end screen, and cast are driving the most engaging and double down on what works. And don't forget to promote your playlist on social media or your community tab. Every view counts towards that 4,000 hour goal. Now you have the blueprint to boost your watch hours and unlock monetization. But don't just take my words for it. Start implementing these strategies today and watch the difference. Believe you, and I promise you, if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, comment and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which strategies you are excited to try next. Remember, hitting your watch hour goal is not just possible, it is within your reach. You have got this, and I am here to help you every step of the way. See you in my next video. Bye for now.